Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can use affiliate marketing to start earning money online. So if you're a beginner when it comes to affiliate marketing, or if you're looking to get started with affiliate marketing, then this video is for you. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and as I mentioned, I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing. So if you're watching this video, then chances are you've heard about affiliate marketing, or you're looking to get started with affiliate marketing. Or maybe you're just looking to make more money in general, and I'm going to be talking about how you can use affiliate marketing to start earning money online. So I'm going to be talking about what affiliate marketing is and the strategy that the top affiliate marketers use to earn six figures a year. And if you want to see more videos like this, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so let me start off by explaining what affiliate marketing is. So what affiliate marketing is where you're promoting somebody else's product online through a specific affiliate link that's coded to you. So whenever somebody clicks on your affiliate link and they purchase the product that you're promoting, then you get a commission. So you're basically getting paid for referring people to a product. It sounds pretty simple, right? But there's a lot more to it than that. So this is where the strategy that the top affiliate marketers use to earn a six-figure income comes into play. So when you're getting started with affiliate marketing, there's going to be a few things that you're going to need. And the first one that I want to talk about is to pick a niche or a niche. So you need a specific category that you're going to be focusing on. And it can be any niche that you want to choose. It can be the weight loss niche, it can be the make money online niche, it can be the relationship niche, or the tech niche. Any of these are fine. And you're going to be creating content based on the niche that you're in. So what I would recommend to you is when picking a niche, go with one that you're really passionate about. And the reason why I say this is because you're going to be creating content based on the niche that you're in. And if you're not passionate about the niche that you're in, then most likely you're going to quit. Because when it comes to learning this whole business of affiliate marketing, you're going to make mistakes and you're going to fail. And if you're not passionate about the niche that you're in, it's really easy to quit and say this doesn't work. But when you pick a niche that you're really passionate about, you're going to find a way to push past those setbacks and those failures and find a way to make it work. Because when you pick a niche that you're passionate about, you have a burning desire to succeed. So that's the first thing that you're going to need to do is pick a niche. Now the second thing that you're going to need is to pick a product. Now you're going to need a product to promote in order to make money. Now if you're completely new to affiliate marketing, you're probably thinking, well, where do I find a product to promote? Now there's a few different affiliate programs out there, but I'm going to be talking about the two most common ones, and that's going to be Amazon Associates and also ClickBank. Now both of these programs are free to get started with, but when it comes to paying out commissions, they pay very differently. Amazon Associates is known to pay very little commissions, but on the upside, it's a well-known website and it's a well-trusted website. Now ClickBank is known to pay a lot more when it comes to commissions. It all depends on the product that you're promoting. And both of these websites offer a wide variety of different products that you can promote. So whatever niche that you're in, there's a good chance that you're going to find a product that's related to the niche that you can promote. And also, when picking a product to promote, it has to be related to the niche that you're in. So for example, if you're in the weight loss niche, you should be promoting something that's related to weight loss, maybe like a weight loss supplement. It wouldn't make sense to promote a makeup product if you're in the weight loss niche. Okay, so now that we picked out our niche and we picked a product to promote, the next thing that we're going to need is a lead magnet. So this is also referred to as a free offer. So what a lead magnet is something that you're going to be giving away in exchange for somebody's email. And a lead magnet can be a variety of different things. It can be an ebook, it can be a video that somebody can watch, it can be a survey that they can take, It can be a free trial to a membership if that's what you're promoting, a membership to a website. Any of these are a great example of a free offer or a lead magnet. Now, the whole purpose of a lead magnet is to grab somebody's attention by addressing a problem that they're having in your niche. So your lead magnet should be delivering value. You should be giving away value for free in exchange for somebody's email. So for example, if somebody's struggling to lose weight, a great example of a free offer or a lead magnet for the weight loss niche is a video that somebody can watch. Maybe it's a 10-minute video that shows them exercises to burn body fat. And you would be giving them access to this video in exchange for their email. So now that we talked about a lead magnet, the next thing that you're going to need is an email software service. So this is where you're going to want to invest some money if you're really serious about getting started and scaling a business with affiliate marketing. So what an email software service is a service that allows you to build up an email subscriber list and also send out emails on an automated schedule to the people on your email list. But it also allows you to create a landing page and also send out a broadcast email, which is an email that you send out one time to everybody on your email list. Now, a few email software services that are available are going to be GetResponse, Aweber, and SendLane. Now, each of these have their own plans and pricing, but I'm going to leave links for all of these in the description if you guys want to check them out. Now, when you have all of these picked out, I'm going to give you guys a visual of how it should look in order to create a successful sales funnel. So first of all, you're going to have a landing page. Now, a landing page is going to be provided by the email software service that you chose. So this is where people are going to first come to see the free offer that you're giving away. So you're going to have your title right here. And then below is maybe a picture or a video of your free offer so people can know what you're offering. So I'm going to put video. And below here is going to be an area where they can enter in their email. And then here's going to be a button that they click on after they enter in their email that's going to take them to the free offer that you're providing. So let's say, for example, we're in the weight loss niche. And our free offer is a video that shows people a 10-minute workout that they can do every day to start burning belly fat. So in order for them to get access to that video, they're going to have to enter in their email and click the button, and it's going to take them to the free offer. But when they enter in their email, now they're going to be added onto your email list. So when they click the button, you can take them to the product that you're promoting, which is a weight loss supplement. Now this is referred to as a thank you page. So you can have them redirected to this page where they're going to see the product that you're promoting, which is a weight loss supplement. And if they buy right then and there, then you made a commission. But most likely, people are not going to buy the first time that they see the product that you're promoting. And that's okay, because now they're on your email list and they're going to be receiving your autoresponder emails. So you can just simply let them know to check their email for the free offer, which is the video that they're going to see. So what an autoresponder email sequence is a series of emails that you write out beforehand that's going to be sent out to the people on your email list on a regular basis, on an automated basis. So you can have it set up for them to receive an email once a day, twice a day, twice a week. It's really up to you on how you set it up. So when people receive your emails, there's two things that you have to keep in mind. One, that it has to be related to the niche that you're in, and two, it has to be delivering value. So since we're talking about the weight loss niche, for example of this video, your emails should be related to weight loss and it should be delivering value. So the first one can be simply saying, here's 5 cooking recipes to lose weight and live a healthier lifestyle. And what you're going to want to do in each one of your emails is give them a call to action. So for example, we're talking about 5 tips or 5 recipes for a healthy way of eating. And then at the end of your email, you're going to simply say, to get started with the solution to your problem, click here. And you're going to have a link that's going to take them back to this product where they have the opportunity to buy it. If they don't, that's okay, because they're going to receive your next email. So the next email can be something like, I don't know, 5 exercises, 5 exercises to build stamina. You're going to deliver value in that email where you're talking about 5 exercises to build stamina, and you're going to also give a call to action, which is the same thing. If you're ready to get started on your weight loss journey, click here and have a link that's going to redirect them back to the affiliate offer that you're promoting. And you're going to keep on doing this over and over and over again. Now, when you have all of this set up, this is what's known as a sales funnel. So once you have your sales funnel set up properly, all you have to do is focus on getting traffic to your landing page and let your sales funnel take care of the rest. Now, when it comes to getting traffic, there's a couple of different ways that you can go about doing it. You can get paid traffic, where you're paying people to send traffic to your landing page. But most likely, if you're getting started, you don't have the budget to buy traffic. So you're going to need to create content in order to generate free traffic. And if you're looking for methods when it comes to creating content to get free traffic, you can go with Facebook ads, you can post on Instagram, or you can use YouTube, where you're delivering value in the niche that you're in and also giving people a call to action to let them know what you're promoting. And you're going to do this consistently. And over time, you're going to build up an audience, because people buy from people who they know, who they like, and who they trust. So when you build up an audience through consistently delivering value in the content that you're creating, they're more likely to buy from you. So that's the basics of how you can use affiliate marketing to start making money online. And this is the same formula that the top affiliate marketers use to earn 6 figures a year. And if you're looking to get started with affiliate marketing and partner with the same program that I'm using, then you can check out the link in the top of the description for my personal recommendation on how to make a full-time income online. I hope you guys learned a thing or two in this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. So that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.